Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So let me show you something, okay? So you want to buy something like this. Okay, this is a 3/8 hard plastic line. um, you can buy it online from Amazon. 3/8 plastic line, this one you want. And then you want to cut it into maybe about this length, about maybe 5 inch. And what you want to do is you want to plug that into something like this. Okay, you do something similar to this. Okay, but what you want to do is you want to do it through your AC drain line. Okay, because most of the time, let me show you the bottom of this Toyota Sienna. So our car had a drain line. Okay, your AC drain line. Okay, all car have it. The Toyota Sienna is right here, as you can see. It's right here, drain line, right here. So they have this rubber tube that's coming out, and it stopped right here. Okay, what do you want? And most of the time is when you use the AC, it's gonna drain out the AC water down and hit somewhere on this joint. Sometimes they have this rubber joint, right? And then it's gonna create a puddle there, and then if you keep doing it, it will be destroying the rubber joint. Okay, like this one, you can see this is rubber right here. See? So what you don't want is you keep having AC water that draining down and then create a puddle somewhere around the rubber joint right here, and then sooner or later it will destroy this rubber piece right here. Okay, so what you want to do is just like I did right here. You want to buy a 3/8 line tube, hard plastic, and then you plug it in here, and then you route it to somewhere outside of whatever touching whatever the joint is, right? So you want to route it out, and then you want to zip tie it, so now the drain is coming straight down to the ground itself, or the road itself, right? Without interfering, without the drain interfering with all this rubber joint on your car. As you can see, that's what I did. So it's gonna drain straight down into the floor without interfering anything. So that's what you want to do, right? It's the same thing as you did from the back. Let me show you from the back too. So a little stuff like that is really gonna help your car last longer, right? Just little stuff like that. So let me show you from the back. So there's this is Toyota Sienna, so they have two drain line. So for the for the back, it's right here, as you can see, right here, right? And then it's drained straight down inside. Most of the time, if I don't have the extension right here, I don't have this extension right here, it's gonna create a big old puddle right on the back bumper right here, the rear bumper, and it's gonna create a big puddle right here all the time. The puddle right here, because it's drained from here down to the back bumper, and it's just gonna store water there all the time. So what you want to do is create extension, same thing, 3/8 line, hard plastic. Get the hard plastic one, and then tube, and then you connect it into the main one, the main rubber line from the car, and then you go down here and then you zip tie it so it drains straight down to the floor itself without any interfering. See how that works? See how that works? And all you need is like what? Is like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, 6 inch. And that's only 5, 6 inch in the back, and then another 5 or 6 inch in the front. So basically you need a line that is about maybe 20 inch. just for safe. And it drains straight down to the floor itself. And that's what you want. That's what you want. Just little stuff like that is gonna save you a big hassle later on. So that's how it works. So very easy to do. Like I said, very easy to do. You buy a 3.8 line right here, like this. See, as you can see, 3.8. And then you just connect the main one, which is the, make sure you buy hard plastic, okay? So I'll probably have this on the video description, the link on Amazon, so you can get one for yourself. So make an extension so it goes straight into the floor instead of going into those rubber joint that I showed you before. And it's a 5-minute job. And after that, when you're done, you should able to get it drained straight into the floor every time. So you can do this to any car, because every car have AC. It's gonna have AC drain line. So that's what you want. Okay, simple, easy, and then it's not much to worry about, right? And that's how you want to do it. Now make sure you show that again. Okay, so make sure that your line, when you, the end of the line, the end of your extension, make sure it don't interfere. Make sure you zip tie it close nicely, okay? So it won't interfere, or this thing might be too long to the floor. It's not good. So make sure that you have it aligned straight, and just leave a little space right here so the water can just drain straight down, and that's it. So make sure you do that. Make sure you got this straight. And also when you cut it, make sure you cut it in an angle like this, and not so it's drip all the way down here like this. If you cut it like across, straight across, the dripping is not going to be that good. So try and cut it on like an angle like this, right? So make it the water drain down a lot better. And just have a zip tie right here, tie it down, make sure it's all tight and secure. You don't want this thing to move around when your car moving. So make sure that's straight. So that's just a little tip. And that's it. And that's gonna help your car out a lot. So basically that drain gonna help drain straight into the road itself without going to any rubber component on your car. So because the rubber with the water, and it keep going, it keep drying off and then getting wet again, drying off, especially in the hot weather. You're gonna have a problem sooner or later. That rubber joint or the rubber piece is gonna rot it out. So that's not a good thing. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.